हेलो दोस्तों, व्हाट्सएप पर शेयर कर दीजिए। रिपोर्ट एरर हो तो कमेंट बॉक्स में बताइएगा दोस्तों, ठीक है, अपने दोस्तों के साथ। तो पहला क्वेश्चन है, मैं हीट चैप्टर करा रहा हूँ, फिजिक्स का क्वेश्चन दोस्तों, ठीक है। पसंद आए तो लाइक करिए, सब्सक्राइब भी कर लीजिएगा दोस्तों। तो पहला क्वेश्चन है, द रिलेटिव ह्यूमिडिटी ऑफ एयर कैन डिक्रीज इन स्पाइट ऑफ एन इंक्रीज इन द एब्सोल्यूट ह्यूमिडिटी when the relative humidity of air can be decreases. Okay, relative humidity can be decreased is in spite increase the absolute humidity when the what the temperature is rise. Okay, temperature is rises. What answer? The temperature is rises. The relative humidity of air can be decreased in spite of an increase in the absolute humidity. Absolute humidity. Okay, humidity of air can be decreased. Humidity can be decreased. Relative humidity can be decreased. Okay, in spite increase the absolute humidity. There is the indication of the relative humidity. Okay, decreasing to that region of the increasing of the temperature. In spite, who in spite the absolute humidity. Water evaporate at a atmospheric pressure at a certain rate. If now the some water is placed in a vacuum, the rate of evaporation, the water evaporation at atmospheric pressure at a certain rate. If now the some water is placed in a vacuum, okay, some water is placed in the vacuum, the rate of evaporation remains will increase। इफ द देखिए कह रहा है कि अगर वाटर इन्वायरमेंट में है तो क्या होगा, उसका सर्टन रेट के साथ वह इवेपोरेट हो रहा है। इफ़ नाउ द सम वाटर इज प्लेस इन द वैक्यूम लाइक इट इज इन द वैक्यूम प्रेजेंट। ओके, नाउ द रेट ऑफ द इवेपोरेशन ऑल्सो विल बी इंक्रीज। ओके, तो आंसर विल बी इंक्रीज। If the atmospheric temperature and the dew point are nearly equal to if the atmospheric temperature and dew point are nearly equal to dew point nearly equal to how the relative humidity is 100%, humidity is 100%, atmospheric temperature. Okay, if the atmospheric temperature and dew point are nearly equal, then the relative humidity is 100%. If the temperature inside a room is increased, the relative humidity will be. If the temperature inside a room is increased, okay, the relative humidity will be decreased. Okay, will be decreased. Relative humidity will be decreased. If a liquid boil at a temperature, okay, a liquid boil होता है at a temperature पर, liquid at which the saturated vapor pressure becomes equal to the atmospheric pressure. A liquid boil at a temperature, okay, a liquid boil at a temperature at which its saturated vapor pressure becomes equal to the atmospheric pressure. With rise of boiling point of water, the latent heat of steam that boil, okay, decrease. Okay, व्हाट्स डिक्रीज करेगा जब बॉइलिंग पॉइंट इंक्रीज किया। ओके, बॉइलिंग पॉइंट इंक्रीज किया तो लाइटेंट हीट विल भी डिक्रीज करेगा। ओके, लाइटेंट हीट विल भी डिक्रीज। बॉइलिंग पॉइंट ऑफ द वाटर इज हीट होता है, ओके, इंक्रीज होता है तो लाइटेंट हीट ऑफ द स्टेम डिक्रीज। लाइटेंट हीट ऑफ द स्टेम डिक्रीज। इन द आइसोथर्मल चेंजेस एन आइडल gas obey Boyle's law. Isothermal means temperature is constant, means this is given by the Boyle's. Okay, pressure constant is the Charles. A refrigerator with its the power on, Okay, a refrigerator with its power is on is kept in the closed room. Okay, with the door is open. Door is open. The temperature of the room will be increased. Okay, will be increased means the rise. When a gas expands adiabatically, when a gas is expand adiabatically, when a gas expand adiabatically, gas expand adiabatically. Who? Internal energy of the gas in use in doing work. Internal energy of the gas is used doing the work. Okay, it is a convert into work. Internal energy. A sample of the gas expand from volume V1 to V2. Okay, a sample of the gas expand volume V1 to V2. The amount of work done by a gas is greatest when the expansion amount of work done of the gas is greatest. Expansion of the gas. Okay, amount of work done is greatest. Amount of work is very greatest when the expansion is what. So the sample of the gas expand from the V1 to V2 is known as the isobaric. Amount of work is very greatest. Expansion. Okay, very expansion is known as the isobaric. A specific heat of the metal at a very low temperature varies as a specific heat of the metal at very low temperature. Okay, specific heat of a metal at very low temperature. Specific heat of the metal at very low temperature. Specific heat of a metal at very low temperature. So answer is low temperature values T. The SI unit of mechanical equivalent. SI unit of mechanical equivalent of heat. SI unit of mechanical equivalent equal to a sample of gas expand from the volume V1 to V2 is known as the isobaric. Okay, as a specific heat of the metal very low temperature T. SI unit of the mechanical joule by calorie. Okay, joule by calorie. SI unit of the mechanical equivalent of the heat. Joule by calorie. Mechanical equivalent of heat. Mechanical equivalent of the heat is joule by calorie. During the adiabatic compression, gases its temperature. During the adiabatic compression of a gas, its temperature, adiabatic compression. During the adiabatic compression of a gas, its temperature rise. Okay, during the adiabatic compression of the gas, its temperature rises. Okay, temperature is rises. The amount of heat required to rise the temperature of body through 1 Kelvin is called a thermal capacity. The amount of heat required. Okay, to rise temperature of a body. The temperature of a body through 1 Kelvin. Is called a thermal capacity. The first operation involved in the Carnot cycle. Operation involved Carnot cycle. Isothermal means the temperature is constant. First operation involved Carnot cycle means isothermal expansion. PV by T is called both isothermal and adiabatic. Isothermal means the Carnot cycle. Okay, PV by T is equal to constant is true for isothermal and adiabatic both isothermal and adiabatic दोनों के लिए सही हो जाएगा ये. ओके, दोनों के लिए राइट होगा. आइसोथर्मल एंड एडियाबेटिक के लिए PV by T इज इक्वल टू कांस्टेंट फॉर द ट्रू आइसोथर्मल एंड एडियाबेटिक. In which of the following process internal energy of the system remains constant? In which of the following process internal energy of the system energy of the system remains constant? What? In which of the following process internal energy of the system remains constant? System remains constant. Internal energy of the system remains constant is called the isothermal. Okay, the process internal energy of the system. If the cyclic process, okay, there is a cyclic process in the Carnot cycle, so temperature is constant, means the energy is constant. Okay, if the cyclic energy if the process is cyclic, so internal energy will be zero. Internal energy will be zero. A cooking knot should have दोस्तों what? The cooling, high specific heat and high conductivity. A cooking knot should have high specific heat and high conductivity. High specific heat, high conductivity. High specific heat, high conductivity. A cooking knot should have a high specific heat and high conductivity. High specific heat and high conductivity. A cooking should not have, okay, a cooking knot should have a high specific heat and high conductivity. Okay, high conductivity. The freezer in a refrigerator is located at the top section, so that why? Because the entire of the chamber of the refrigerator is cooled quickly due to the convection. Okay, entire you are looking the freezer. Okay, freezer in the refrigerator is located at the top. You are always located that this is a refrigerator. Okay, this is a this is a freezer. Okay, why is the top? Because entire chamber of the refrigerator, okay, refrigerator is cooled quickly convection. Okay, quickly convection. A piece of the glass is heated to high temperature and then allowed to cool. Okay, high temperature to then allow cool. If the crack, a possible reason for this is the following properties. A glass is heated a high temperature and then allowed to cool. Okay, allow करते हैं cool, ठंडा करने जाते हैं. तो if it is a crack, why? This is a possible low thermal conductivity. It is a low thermal conductivity. That region is a low thermal conductivity. Thermal conductivity of the plate depend on the area of plate. Depend on the thermal conductivity of the plate depend on the area of plate. Thermal conductivity of the plate depend on the area of plate पर. Okay, thermal conductivity, like this is a plate area. Okay, this is a low conductivity, this is a high conductivity. Why? Because this is a area is the large, so thermal conductivity at the maximum. Okay, this is a low, छोटा होने के कारण. While measuring the thermal conductivity of the liquid, we keep the upper part hot, the lower part cool, because heat convection get stopped. Well, you are the measuring thermal conductivity of the liquid. This is a water. Okay, this is a liquid. You are the feel conductivity. Upper part is hot, and lower part is low. Cool. Why? Because the convection gets stopped. Convection gets stopped. This is a way. Okay, convection gets stopped.